In this tutorial, I'll show you how to liquid text animation in Canva. We're going to use Canva's Liquify app to create a smooth, drippy warp text effect that looks like melting ink or water. I'll walk you through every step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Canva and create a new design. You can use any size you like, but a standard video size works best if you plan to animate this later. A good option is a 1920 by 1080 video canvas. Once your blank design is open, we'll start by adding the text. On the left side, click on Text, then add a heading. Type in the word or phrase you want to turn into liquid text. It could be a title, a name, or just a single word. Make the text nice and bold so the liquid effect shows clearly. From here, adjust the font size and color. Bold sans serif fonts work really well for this, but you can try different fonts until you like how it looks. Resize the text and position it in the center or wherever you want your main focus to be. Now you need to add an image that will warp with the Liquify app. This image is what will create that liquid texture. Go to the Uploads tab if you already have an image, or click on Elements and search for a photo. For a liquid text animation look, try using water, ink, paint, smoke, or any abstract texture with fluid shapes. Drag the image onto the canvas. You can either place this image directly over the text or use it as a background behind the text. If you want the text to look like it's made out of the water or ink, place the image above the text and then use the transparency slider to see how it interacts. You can also right-click and use Send Backward or Send to Back to control which layer is on top. Take a moment to scale and position the image so it covers the text area properly. The parts of the image with interesting swirls or drips should sit around your text, because that's where the effect will be most visible. Now it's time to use the Liquify app. On the left panel, click on Apps. In the search bar, type Liquify. When you see the Liquify app, click on it to open it. Now select the image you added, not the text. The Liquify effect works on images, so make sure the image layer is highlighted. With the Liquify panel open, you'll see different brush tools that let you drag, push, and warp parts of the image. Choose the standard brush or warp brush to start. Adjust the brush size so it's big enough to cover parts of your text area but not so large that it warps the whole image at once. Now click and drag on the image over the text to create a melted or drippy look. Pull the colors downwards to make it look like the ink is dripping off the letters, or push areas sideways to give that wavy, liquid distortion. Take your time with this step. Slowly drag the brush along the edges where the text is so the background texture looks like it's wrapping around or dripping from the letters. If you make a mistake or pull too far, use the reset or undo options inside the Liquify controls. You can go back and forth, adjust brush strength, and keep warping until you're happy with the liquid style. Once you're satisfied with how the liquefied image looks over or behind your text, it's time to think about animation and exporting. If you want a static liquid effect, you can simply keep it as an image design and you're done. But if you want to turn this into a liquid text animation in Canva, you'll need to download it as a video. At the top right, click on Share, then Download. Change the file type to MP4 video. Even though this is a still design, downloading as MP4 makes it easier to re-upload and combine with other animations later. Click Download and wait for Canva to export your design as a video file. Now open a new video design in Canva and upload that MP4 you just exported. Drag the video onto the canvas. From here, you can add more animations, text, or motion. You can animate additional elements like background shapes, extra text, or overlays to make the whole layout move around your liquefied design. You can also adjust the duration of the clip, add transitions between scenes, and build a full animated sequence around your liquid text. If you prefer to keep it simple, you can just use the liquefied image as a static effect and combine it with Canva's regular text or page animations, like fade, pan, or rise, to create a subtle motion. When you're happy with everything, export your final design again as an MP4 video. You now have a liquid text animation effect created in Canva using the Liquify app, ready to use in intros, social posts, or any video project.